everyone, Miss Wall here. So for today's assignment, we're going to figure out what our water footprints are. Now, water is broken up into inside water, which is the water you use in your house, outside water, again, the water you use outside of your house, but that also includes sewage if you have outdoor sewage, and then virtual water, which is used to produce your food, electricity, gas, and home goods. So virtual water is something we don't often consider when we're taking in our water consumption, which means how much water we're using per day. And so I think this survey will help us figure out how much water we're really using. So you can take this survey in both English and in Spanish. Obviously, I'm going to take mine in English, but if you need Spanish, it's right underneath the English button. Now it's asking how many people are in our house. So you can see this is actually the second time I've filmed this. There are 6 people in my house. How long is the average shower in your household? For my family, it's over 15 minutes per person, and everyone showers every day. Do you have low flow shower heads? Those are the shower heads that they kind of hang down. They're not the ones that are flush with like the top of the shower. So yes, I have those. Do you take baths? No one in my house takes a bath. How long do you leave your bathroom faucets running every day? With everyone, I would say over 30 minutes. So these you're answering for your entire household. Now, I'm going to finish this up, get my answer, and I will come back. All right, people, so my personal water footprint is 2,455 gallons per day, which is crazy. My household is 14,730 gallons per day. Now, again, that's just an estimation, but based on the questions, they have a great way of being able to calculate it. Now you can see that I'm way above the U.S. average, which is only about 1,802 gallons a day, which is still a lot. So when I click on the scroll down to see your water use, I can see how much water use is indoor, outdoor, and virtual. So you can see I barely have any indoor water use, but outdoor water, because of my shopping habits, are crazy. That's 1,166 gallons a day just on, food and clothes. I like to buy things. That is why my water thing is so high for outdoor water. And then virtual water, which is diet. So what I'm actually consuming per day. We have 6 people in my house. All of us eat meat. And my brothers, my dad, so 4 people eat meat for every single meal. So that contributes to that high number. Now what I want you to do when you're done is it'll give you tips for every single one. So because my outdoor is so heavy, I'm going to look at swimming pool. Now we have a pool. Let's see what our tip is. Swimming pool. So it says use a pool cover, keep your pool water cold, check your pool often for leaks. My pool has leaking problems. So what I want you to do is take a look at some of these tips. Tell me 3 of them for your highest amount. So for mine would be maybe 2 for outdoor water and 1 for virtual water. And you're going to answer that in the reflection question, which is, what are 3 ways that you can reduce your water consumption based on the survey? So when you've gotten this number, and so my number is the 2,455, we're talking about our personal numbers, not our household numbers. We can't control how many people we live with, but we can control ourselves. So I'm going to take my personal number and I'm going to go over to the graph, which will be on Google Classroom. I'm going to put my name under Miss Schenkel. She's already put in her water use. Mine was 2,455 gallons per day. And now Shankle and I are in a graph together, and I can compare my water use to Shankle. So you can see it almost looks like I'm double her water use. If we take a look at the numbers over here, we could prove that to be true. So I'm interested to see all of our numbers up against each other. So again, your assignment today is to do the survey, graph your water use, and then reflect on it. Tell me 3 tips for the highest amount of water that you expend, whether it's indoor, outdoor, or virtual. So that is all for today. I'm looking forward to seeing your answers.